We are now going to create a measure. A measure is a bespoke formula not available in the Power BI options, such as an average or a count. In order to create a measure, we need to go to New Measure, which will open a calculation field. We can now name our measure. Let's say we are doing the loss ratio. And now we can add the fields that we want. The loss ratio is going to be the sum of the claim incurred, which is the claim cost, divided by the sum of the net premium. Once we've done that, we press enter. And now we can see that it has appeared here alphabetically. We can now add this to a table. Now we have the loss ratio here. Finally, we can also format it by going to Measure Tools and then clicking on the format that we want, in this case percentage. And voila, we have a measure.